Since its unassuming starting points with a little group in San Francisco, Near Convention has rapidly developed to collaborate with a portion of the business top Goliaths, performing on a vertical direction since its origin. With the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the basis for Web 3.0, the Near network is drawing in a lot of consideration. For instance, the stage permits clients to cooperate with shrewd agreements and dApps without requiring a wallet and integrates comprehensible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of Near's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web-based space where no organization, individual, or government can intercede. Near means to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut biological system, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. Near's answer is named the local area cloud, where clients can securely get and execute resources, character, and cache without requiring consent or outside stages. Near Convention has its own local token called Near, which is utilized to pay for capacity and exchange expenses on the stage. Near approves and concludes exchanges as well as gets the organization against malware and deceitful movement by boosting validators with Near crypto tokens. With the Near Convention expected to explode further from now on, the symbolic worth is probably going to take action accordingly. Near Convention, NAR, Principal Investigation. While Near can measure up to existing stages like Microsoft Sky Blue or Amazon Web Administrations, it has an extraordinary selling point. With the dispersed number of validators, the Near network is gotten with no weak link. This forestalls hacking, altering, and information misfortune and furthermore counters different failures normally found in most midway-controlled cloud stages. The Near Convention's essential objective is to engage clients to recapture control of their resources, information, and administration. Underneath, we've assessed a portion of the critical elements of the Near Convention. Adaptability. The most astounding part of Near's presentation is its speed and versatility. Utilizing its Doom slug block creation strategy and Nightshade sharding framework, the Near organization can deal with up to 100,000 exchanges each second, twofold that of contenders like Solana. The organization likewise finishes exchanges in under a moment, with a very low exchange charge. The blend of Nightshade and Doom slug helps increment throughput, further develop productivity, and diminish the heap on the organization, bringing about lightning-quick exchanges. Oversimplified and advantageous. With intelligible record names, Near Convention makes the universe of crypto easier and more open for regular clients all over the planet. Simple interoperability. Near's interoperability is one more strength. Utilizing what Near refers to as Rainbow Extension, clients can bring tokens from Ethereum and effectively fabricate Ethereum projects utilizing the Aurora Ethereum virtual machine. Green and reasonable. Near Convention was affirmed as the world's absolute first environment and carbon unbiased blockchain in 2021. Savvy Near Convention is unquestionably practical, offering clients 1000x lower exchange charges and enabling designers to procure 30% of exchange expenses. Near Convention, NAR, specialized examination. Since its send-off in August 2020, the Near network has gotten backing from numerous remarkable names in the business, like the trustworthy entrepreneur store Andreessen Horowitz. It has likewise collaborated with other unmistakable names, for example, Blockchain Adventures, Tiger Worldwide, Meta Web Adventures, and Einstein Labs. Different associations like Kurtosis, Transition, Mintbase, and Paras have additionally effectively utilized Near to assemble modest, speedy, and decentralized open market conventions. Close by the $350 financing round drove by Tiger Worldwide, prompting critical cost appreciation for Near crypto holders. On the off chance that Near's set of experiences of close organizations proceeds, the coin's worth will probably take off essentially from here on out. Near Convention, NAR, current cost. Near Convention is presently worth $4.45. Near has moved 6.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $329,288,876. Near Convention is presently positioned 25 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $3,422,804,930 Near Convention, NAR, Value Expectation 2022. Near Convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, NEAR. The near cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $6.68. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $6.23 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible in the near future given expected joint efforts and headways. NEAR is supposed to have a base worth of $5.34. Near Convention, NAR, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Near Convention near cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of NEAR will before long outperform $11.13. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the NEAR's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, NEAR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $8.90 and a typical exchanging cost of $9.79. Near Convention, NAR, Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $15.58 and NEAR may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. NEAR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $14.24 and a low of $13.35 in 2024. Near Convention, NAR, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Near Convention effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the NEAR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEAR will be green in 2025. The NEAR is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $20.03. With a base cost of $17.80 and a typical cost of $18.70. Near Convention, NAR, Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the NEAR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $23.15 by 2026, with a base cost of $22.